Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're actually going to be looking over the Supra. It's been a couple of weeks since I've had it now. It's honestly pretty filthy. So today we're gonna take a look at everything we have in here, clean up the carpet, clean up the seats, hopefully kind of restore some stuff. He painted the interior stuff black. I don't know if I can take off the paint today, but for now I just want to be able to sit in my car without feeling disgusted. So let's get started. Have you saw her? Or did we talk about this?
No. Oh yeah, I think I did. No, I don't think it's, I don't think I saw it, but I think this was still covered with this material, so I didn't really think much of it.
Yeah, dude.
I didn't know it was like that.
Oh fuck! Oh, there's the glass. Yep.
It looks like he just literally silicone all of it.
Yeah, it's pretty trash.
It looks like it's eating all the way up to here too. So you see this?
A bowl.
Again?
Yep, broke it even more now.
Jesus.
How do you open this? Oh shit! Oh, it's fucking disgusting out here. It's wet. Oh, what the fuck? Bro, there's a kickstand for the fucking trunk. What the fuck?
Man, what the fuck?
Oh, that's sick.
Good old Toyota 80s engineering.
It's like a...
You would not see that nowadays.
Nope. Here's my heater hose. Here's some sandpaper. Wet towel. Nice.
Sandpaper. It's like he tried to fix Russ and gave up.
Honestly, I think, should we just cut like this whole entire piece out right here?
And then just want to.
And then weld it?
Flat, put a fuel cell or something.
You got some more rust over here though. You saw this over here.
Oh shit, yeah, I didn't see that. Sounds like I just need to cut the trunk.
Yep.
Yeah.
Put a whole new
sheet metal piece.
a whole sheet metal or something.
Yeah. Or leave it open.
I don't know about that.
Weight reduction, bro.
Yeah, but I would still like my trunk. All right. Well, take that there.
Oh, you're gonna leave it up?
Ah, you know what? Let's just cover this for now. I don't want to look at it. It's disgusting. So we'll pretend that's not there for a while. So I actually bought a little shampoo vacuum for this situation. Clean everything out. Hopefully it makes everything feel clean again.
It's a 2-in-1 video, bro. Shampoo vac review and super cleaning.
Oh, we're gonna need that. The last owner peed on the carpet back there, so that one. Yep, that's just trash.
Oh,
so.
shit.
Hopefully this takes everything out, makes it feel brand new again.
I don't know if it's going brand new, but asking for a little much.
Close enough, man. Close enough.
Resemble, at least a little bit.
Alright, we took out the front seats, guys, and this place is fucking filthy. Look at this shit. Coins, eye drop, rat's nest. Oh god. Oh, this is fucking disgusting. Over there, it's just as bad.
Yep, it's terrible.
Alright, so hopefully this shampoo vacuum can restore this carpet a little bit. Maybe not that part, but that shit is destroyed, disintegrated. But
look at this.
come on, focus.
We've had some pot heads on this car at one point.
Yep.
It's a fresh bottle.
Yeah.
They probably got high and forgot about it or something.
For real. For real. Goddamn.
Alright, let's get started.
That's fucking
Fingers just made marks in the cover. Oh.
God, that's disgusting. Where's my mask at? Let me wear my mask.
Yeah. Good thing I'm cleaning this bitch.
Where's my mask? Fuck, I put it back in the car. Or no, it's right here.
Bro, how the fuck does this happen? I get 30 years, but damn.
30 years. That's what I do for you. I mean, we're not even fucking 30 yet.
Who knows what kind of creatures live in this bitch? Already looking pretty good just from vacuuming a little bit. So if you guys have some stains, I bought some COR. This should take out some of the stains a little bit, so let's see if that works. You know what, let's just spray everywhere.
Put it on the wide setting.
Just take the nozzle off and pour it everywhere.
Oh,
Right.
turn the nozzle. It's a wide setting.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh, it does. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. Alright, so I'm gonna let that soak a little bit. I'm gonna do the other side now. Alright, this side's all set. Already sprayed it down with some COR. Now I'm gonna go, let's see, vacuum these seats and the carpet over here. Hopefully it turns out better. All done with this piece. Looking a lot better already. Just gotta wait for it to dry. A lot of dirt. Let me show you guys how much filth was in that. Look at this. That is disgusting. Oh man. Alright, so now I'm gonna do that black seat. So I guess whoever had it before, I don't know if it was the previous owner or anyone before that, if they sprayed this black, but let's see if the vacuum will take off the black. Probably not, but I'm just hoping. Alright guys, here's how everything looks now. Definitely a lot cleaner. Feels a lot nicer now too, being inside the car. There's still some stains, but it was really hard to get out, couldn't get it out. But overall, not bad. You know, a little bit wet right now. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. Then I'm gonna put the seats back in, and I'm gonna start wiping down the dash. Any dirt. I mean, there's like a bunch of like random nasty spots. I want to wipe it all down. A little dirty right here. It's showing its age. So we'll get started with that in a second. All right, everything's all put back together now. Here's the final product. Honestly, everything looks pretty good now. It's still slightly stained, but I mean, nothing I can do about that. Maybe I'll get new carpet in the future, but honestly, everything feels good now. We put the back seats in, mismatched still, but I'll reupholster that later. I mean, not a big deal. Put the carpet in the trunk back. Everything's all organized now. Have my little meth lab right here. But other than that, that's pretty much it for today. If you guys like all the Supra content, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.